Now Delhi is one. Polluted. So you are talking about in a particular sense.
date or time mention किया हुआ था.
Yes, in a particular period of time I am talking about. So that is the reason we are talking the Delhi, the India, yeah, the Delhi, the Delhi of 1950 was not so polluted. Was not so polluted. So here, if before this proper noun I am using the, why? Because I am using the Delhi of 1950. Okay. So have I made myself clear?
इसमें सर दो इम्पोर्टेंट है, अगर लगा सकते हैं इसको.
What?
दिल्ली, सीधा दिल्ली लिखा, दिल्ली of 1950.
Delhi of 1950 is not correct. You have to say the Delhi of 1950.
Delhi is polluted.
I am talking about Delhi of that time actually. Okay.
Yes.
मतलब इम्पोर्टेंट है.
Okay. Moving ahead with some different rules or last rules, and then we will discuss about where we don't use articles. So last rule we can discuss. Right. The is used before. The is used before the name of magazine, commission and institution. Commission and institution. Like sometimes we say the Mandal Commission or the Thakur Commission. These are the name of the commissions. Sometimes institutions we say the High Court, the Supreme Court, right? Or the Ministry of Education, the name of the institutions. So we use particularly the before this. High Court, no, the High Court, the Supreme Court, the Mandal Commission,
The Kothari Commission.
the Kothari Commission, right?
Yes.
Now, moving ahead, where we don't use articles. Okay. No use of articles. No use of article. Suppose like the name of any language, we don't use the, like जैसे आप बच्चे कहते हैं the English is spoken, the English is spoken in England, in England. So we don't say the English. You know, the English means, what is the meaning of the English? English people. It is not the name of language. Getting Balinder? So we don't say the English. What we say, when you say the English, we say the English, but it has a different meaning. What is the meaning? English people is spoken. So this sentence is wrong. So how will you correct it?
English spoken.
Simply you have to say English is spoken in England. Okay. English is spoken.
का यूज होगा और द नहीं लगेगा
What?
जहाँ लैंग्वेज के बारे में बात है
वहां पे
द नहीं लगेगा
the use नहीं होगा, right? But I will talk about some different points. Like if I say people of India, the people of India, the people of India what? The people of India speak Hindi, not the Hindi, and we always write Hindi with the capital letter. People of India speak Hindi. Okay?
Yes.
People of India speak Hindi. Or you can say, sir, I know what? Hindi, English, and Punjabi. I know Hindi, English, and Punjabi. Okay, but suppose whenever we use with the language, the word language, then the is used. Same happens with the season. In the winter season, in winter or in the winter season, the English language is a rich language. So whenever we use, if I say the English is spoken in England is wrong, but if I add here what? If I add here language word, the English language is spoken in England, then it will be correct. Then it doesn't give the meaning the English language. I know the Hindi language. I know the Hindi language. I know Hindi or I know the Hindi language. Right? Same happens with the season also. In winter, or if you want to use the winter season, you say in the winter season, in the summer season.
इन द विंटर नहीं आएगा
In the winter generally नहीं use करते हैं. In winter or in the winter season. Okay? Same happens with the language. Like if I say, do you speak German language? Do you speak what? German language? Do you speak German language? We don't say like that. This sentence is wrong.
Do you speak the German language?
Yes. To make it correct, what will you do? You have to add the. Do you speak the German language? Okay? Now, you know, the is not used before proper noun. मैंने अभी आपको explain भी किया. और कहाँ पे use करते हैं? That also I added on. Right? कहाँ पे use नहीं करते हैं और कहाँ पे use करते हैं. Okay?
Yes.
So that you know very well. In the same way, the is not used before the name of any subjects. We don't say the physics, the mathematics, right? We don't say the physics, the mathematics. But we don't say. But if the name of subject is used in particularized sense, the is used. You can write that point. That is important. लिखिए the is not used before the name of subjects. Like the physics is a difficult subject. difficult subject. Can we write like this?
Physics is
Can we write like this?
physics is a difficult subject.
We don't say the physics. We don't say the physics. Only simply we say physics is a difficult subject. But, right, but if the name of subject is used in particularized sense, but if the name of subject is used in particularized sense, the is used before the name of subject. Right. So I can say the physics of Puneet, the physics of Puneet are good. The physics of Puneet are good. In a particularized sense we use, and sometimes it gives the sense of physical abilities, physical facts related with that. Okay? So you can write one point: when mathematics, economics, statistics or physics is used in the sense of mathematical abilities, is used in the sense of mathematical abilities, economic fact, data, or sums respectively, the is used before it. The is used before it. The is used before it. It is considered to be plural. It is considered to be plural. So a plural verb is used with it. So a plural verb is used with it. So here as I said, the physics of Puneet, I have already given the example. I have used here plural verb. The mathematics of Rahul are poor. The 2 points I am talking about. Here the sense of mathematics is not the subject mathematical abilities. Right? The first point. So the second point, as I told, normally in syntax also I teach. So we use here plural verb. When you use mathematics in the sense of mathematical abilities, physics in the sense of what? Sums or data. So we always use plural verb. Understood?
Yeah.
Have I made myself clear? Okay. Very basic rule I will discuss now. You know that the is not used before uncountable noun. Right, guys? The is not used before uncountable noun. Uncountable nouns mainly material noun. Right? Like we say gold, honesty, truth. So we don't say the truth, the honesty, the gold, the water, the milk. Like precious metal. Gold is a precious metal. Gold is what? Precious metal. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. Is the best policy. So gold material noun, we don't use any article the. Honesty, we don't use the. But what you have to learn, sometimes we use before these words the. In what condition you write that? Right. But if an uncountable noun is used in particularized sense, the is used before uncountable noun. The is used before uncountable noun. Like if I say the gold of Bahrain, the gold of Bahrain is rich or is expensive. Or you can say pure, the gold of Bahrain is pure, whatever it is. I mean here I am using the gold. Beauty, we don't say the beauty, but if you use it in a particularized sense, so what we say? The beauty of Rekha is legendary. The beauty of Rekha is legendary. Like the beauty. The beauty is uncountable noun, but I am using with this uncountable what? The. Like we don't say the water, but you can say the water of this well is fresh. इस कुएं का पानी क्या है? Fresh है. So the water of this well, the water of this well is fresh. Is fresh. The water of this well is what? Fresh. Are you getting my points?
Yes, sir.
So have I made myself clear? No doubt. Can you give some more examples based on these points? Can you give some more examples? Any examples you can give? Yes.
The valley of Kashmir is beautiful. The valley of Kashmir.
The valley, okay. But वो material noun नहीं है, uncountable noun नहीं है. But you can go with.
It is beautiful.
The honesty of Puneet is praiseworthy. The honesty of Mr. Ahmed is praiseworthy. Honesty is uncountable, but you are using it in a particular sense. The beauty of Asteria is what? Is forever. You can, whatever sentence you can make it. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, moving ahead with the next rule. Because I have to bind up this topic today, and maybe tomorrow I will start new topic. Actually, I was planning to discuss some more questions based on this. So अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड होंगे तो मैं कल उसको कुछ और क्वेश्चंस पे डिस्कस कर लेंगे नहीं तो आज मींस आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द पॉइंट्स आई डिडंट डिस्कस एनी क्वेश्चन
Yes.
राइट सिंटेक्स में भी आपकी क्लास में बट आई डिस्कस क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन सिंटेक्स इन योर क्लास only in your class okay write one more point some more points are there right if the word man
If the
word man comma woman comma humanity or mankind is used in widest sense is used in widest sense ऐसे लिखिएगा widest sense widest sense the is not used before it the is not used before it जैसे आप कहते हो man is mortal we don't say the man what we say man is mortal man is mortal right woman is the ornament of the home woman is the ornament of the home you can also write this example what woman is the ornament of the home okay next write when the word man or woman no sorry right but if the word man or woman comma देके लिखिए humanity or mankind is used in particularized sense the is used before it that is a very common point which we learned since beginning we have been learning since beginning जैसे आपने कहा he is the man who has stolen my watch क्या he is the man who has stolen my watch he is the man who has stolen my watch or you can say like the woman who lives there is very active yeah the woman who lives there is very active so here see I am using the and this is a very basic one if we use anything in a particular sense what we use article the okay so moving ahead with the next point and that is also very important right generally the is not used before these nouns such as such as nature, science, nature, science, कॉमा देके लिखिएगा, डेथ, फिर कॉमा देके लिखिए, लाइफ, पार्लियामेंट, फ्रीडम, love, society. What we don't use the before these words, etc. कर लीजिए. Like if I say आप जनरली कहते हो सर, टीनेजर्स जनरली कहते हैं सर लव इज ग्रेट, कहते हैं ना,
Yes, sir.
लव इज ग्रेट. तो लव से पहले आपने क्या यूज नहीं किया, द यूज नहीं किया. आप कहते हो सर नेचर लुक्स what, nature looks beautiful in the morning, beautiful in the morning. Nature looks beautiful in the morning. Science has changed our life. Science has changed our life. आप देखिए, आप प्रीवियस ईयर से कंपेयर कीजिए तो कंप्लीटली हमारा लाइफ क्या हो गया है, चेंज हो गया है, राइट. यू कैन टेक सम मोर एग्जांपल्स, कुछ और एग्जांपल्स ले लीजिए. लाइक आपने कहा सर सोसाइटी डज नॉट अलाउ अस, सोसाइटी डज नॉट allow us to do wrong things, or wrong, to do wrong or wrong things, whatever you can write, to do wrong things. Society does not allow us to do what? Wrong things, or to do wrong, both are correct. बट इन्हीं चीजों को आप, जैसे लव है, लव इज ग्रेट, तो आपने कहा द लव बिटवीन राधा एंड कृष्णा इज इमॉर्टल. अब देखिए ये लव की बात कर रहे हैं, अब देखो पटलाई से द लव बिटवीन राधा एंड कृष्णा is immortal. और भी है लैला मजनू और whatever, like is immortal. नॉवेल में और किताबों में ऐसे लफ्ज दिखते हैं. The love between Radha and Krishna is immortal. आपने कहा सर the society of my village is bad. The society of my village is bad. आपने कहा सर her nature or the nature of what? Gudiya is not praiseworthy, right? Anyone, the nature of what? Gudiya is not praiseworthy. Is not praiseworthy. Yeah, is not good. Whatever you want to write is not praiseworthy. Right? You can give some more examples. Why I am giving all the examples? And you are taking complete rest. You should also participate in the class. And give me some examples.
The nature of Sushil is very shy.
So I have already written the nature. You can give some other example. Okay, the nature of Sushil is very shy, or the okay.
The death of Vipin Rawat made us sad.
Okay. In part license you are using death. Okay. Okay. So you can go with the points which we have discussed yet, and then we will discuss some more points. A lot of points are there actually, but overall most of the topics are covered. Maybe tomorrow I will discuss some questions, 5 to 10 questions based on this concept, and then I will go with the topic now. Next topic. आपके बैच में टॉपिक सही फ्लो में जा रहा है, राइट?
सोए वाले बैच में क्या चल रहा है?
Same topic but very slow actually. Today I completed syntax, and in your batch I have completed articles, right? So anyhow, go through the topics, whatever I discuss.
तो सुबह 1 बजे आता
Nee, 2 hours.
सुबह
In the morning batch, 2 hours. In the afternoon, that is 1 hour because the students are less in afternoon batch. Okay.